My idea of a home is a place where you go to hang up your hat, kick my feet up.
My fondest memories of home was father cooking out on the grill, mom in the kitchen, playing in the backyard with my sister and brothers.
I can remember many good times when we were young. Christmas, Thanksgiving, Easter, the times when all the family were together, and we were a very close-knit bunch, and that was my fondest memories.
A home to me.
Sitting down together as a family to eat supper.
Place where you can kick back in the recliner, spend quality time with your family.
Always feeling safe and secure.
A place where I feel safe and secure.
My proudest moment while I was in the Air Force, I was on a tour in Germany at Rhein-Main Air Force Base, and we had a medevac unit. And when the plane came in with the sick patients on it, the first thing the patient looked up to me and said, "Thank you for coming to get me."
My proudest moment in the military was when they put me in as a section chief as an E4.
I would have to say my proudest moment was the day I was sworn in, and I gave oath to serve and protect my country.
A homeless veteran has walked through the doors at TAP once a week for the last 2 years.
Our veterans come to TAP in a variety of different ways. A lot of times they're referred from the homeless shelters. Oftentimes they come from the VA itself through their homeless program, and our focus is to try and help them find employment. There's this great misconception that veterans have got it made once they serve, that they get services for life and whatever that they need, and that the VA will take care of them. That is so far from the truth. The veterans need services as far as transportation to and from the job, life skills, conflict management, financial management classes. They need help with clothing and getting a nice suit to wear. They need help with housing, just maybe a security deposit once they've gotten that job.
Of the 120 homeless veterans seeking assistance, TAP has helped over 100 to gain employment because of people like her.
Hi, I'm Kim Card. I'm a Human Resource Manager for Integrity Windows and Doors. I've been working with Howard Brunson and Lynn Roberts and TAP for 2 years with the Veterans Program. Bob and Wayne were our first 2 vets that we were able to hire. Bob currently works in our casement department, and he's what's known as a glass puller. He has such a fast pace that enables us to make the goal many, many times when I don't think we would otherwise have done so. Wayne works in our specials department. He does different functions. He bends metal, he saws wood, he actually can wrap the windows. These are our largest windows. The sense of pride that Bob and Wayne both bring to the job is exceptional.
My lowest point for me, being homeless, was when I started drugging and drinking.
Twice I've been homeless. I've had to seek shelter wherever I could, in abandoned buildings, barns, or what have you. Make sure that there might not be anybody coming around to try to hurt me. Didn't want any wild animals coming and attack me.
The hardest thing for me from being homeless was losing my family and not knowing that I'd ever see my children again. I wound up in the woods with a piece of plastic and a cot.
My lowest point, as far as the alcoholism, is losing my driver's license, which snowballed into pretty much losing everything.
I felt useless, felt like I didn't have a purpose in life.
We had one of our veterans that unfortunately could not transition into the workplace after several months. His last day, I ended up taking him home. And when he got out of the car and he walked off, I didn't know where he was going. And that's the part that I hated, because not knowing where he's going, that's what I try to tell these guys. We always have a path, and we always keep going forward. And with him, I wasn't sure that he was going to go forward.
We have a fund that's been started, and it's the Welcome Home Fund. And basically the purpose of that is to be able to provide services and things that we at TAP cannot provide. The goal of that fund is $50,000, and we really need your help to help us serve those veterans who've served so valiantly.
8 out of every 10 veterans benefit from TAP programs. Bob was homeless. He now has a job. TAP's Welcome Home Fund will help more veterans like Bob get and hold a good job.
I am getting
Back on my feet.
On my feet,
I am proud to have served my country.
I'm proud
to be an American.
to be an American.
I am a fighter.
I am
I'm a fighter.
a fighter.
I am
I'm hopeful.
I'm hopeful.
I
I'm
am
vulnerable.
I'm vulnerable.
I am a veteran.
I am a veteran.
I am a veteran.
To help, please call Lynn Roberts at 540-283-4908 or go to www.tapintohope.org.